This is the Xiaomi Band HRX edition. Hey guys, welcome to my next video. This is the unboxing of the Redmi Band HRX, as you can see there on the HRX edition. Okay guys, now I'm gonna unbox this band. I just got it online for 1300 rupees. There it is, that's the device, it's the tracker itself. Previously it used to be the same with the band too, and even the same. Okay, that's the rubber band of Xiaomi. That's the device. We're gonna take the rubber band out and see. Okay, this is the same as the Mi band 2. Even that has the same quality and the same rubber band. But the difference between the HRX and the Mi2 is the heart rate sensor. If you guys want a heart rate sensor, if you're interested in that, then you can go for the band 2. Otherwise, this thing is very budget friendly. That's the device, guys. That's the device. HRX edition of the Redmi band. Here you can see the steps, the distance you walk, and the calories you burn, except for the heart rate motion. And there it is, guys. That is the unbox. And there we have some documentation from Xiaomi, or some basic user guide manual from Xiaomi there. And even we have the charger there, charger for the device, which will be connected through a USB to your laptop, or you can put your power brick to that and put into a plug, and that's it. And you just need to insert the device into that socket there, and the other USB goes in for the power. There guys, thank you guys for watching, and please give me 10 likes if you want a review of this device. Thank you.